See beta, one more question here I have taken. 7973 is to be divided by 37. So 7973 is my dividend and 37 is my divisor. Okay. Now I am having a 2-digit divisor. So I will be taking 2 digits of the dividend in the beginning only, that is 7 and 9. So my number will be 79. So here I need to see that how many times 37 goes into 79. But I don't know the table of 37. So how I will find? There is a short trick to find. Listen. I will be seeing the first digit of the divisor and the first digit of the dividend, that is 7. Then I will see that how many times 3 goes into 7. And we all know that 3 2s are 6. Okay. So what I will do with that 2? I will multiply this 37 with 2. Okay. So 2 7s are 14. 4 I will write here and 1 I will be taking as a carry. So 2 3s are 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So in this way I got 74. And you all can see that 74 is smaller than 79. So I will go with 37 2s are, that is 74. Okay. Now I will subtract. 9 minus 4, 5. 7 minus 7, 0. I have not written here. Next digit I will copy 7. So my number is 57. Again I need to see that how many times 37 goes into 57. Okay. So what I will do? I will take this digit, that is 3, and here I will take the first digit of the dividend, that is 5. Again, I will see that how many times 3 goes into 5. And we all know 3 1s are 3. Why? Because 3 2s are 6. So we will go with 1s are. So what I will do? I will multiply 37 with 1 and what I will get? 37 only. So 37 1s are 37. Okay. Now I will subtract. 7 minus 7, 0. 5 minus 3, 2. Next digit I will copy here. 3. So my number is 203. Again I need to see that how many times 37 goes into 203. Okay, but we don't know the table. So what I will do here I am having 3 digits in my dividend. So here I will not see the first digit, I will see the 2 digits together. That is, if you are having 3 digits in the dividend, in such a case, you will be taking the 2 digits of the dividend. And here, I will be taking only first digit of the divisor, that is 3. And moreover, you can see that if I take this single digit 2, 2 is smaller than 3. 2 will never come in the table of 3. So obviously, I have to take 2 digits, that is 2 and 0 will become a number, that is 20. So I will see here how many times 3 goes into 20. And I know 3 6 are 18. So what I will do? I will multiply 37 with 6. And I will see whether it will go or not. Now 6 7s are 42. 2 I will write here. 4 I will be taking as a carry. 6 3s are 18. 18 plus 4, 22. So in this way I got 222. But 222 is bigger than 203. So I cannot go 37 6 are. So what I will do? I will multiply 37 with a lesser number, that is 5. Okay. 5 7s are 35. 5 I will write here. 3 I will be taking as a carry. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 3, 18. I got 185 and 185 is smaller than 203. So I will go with 37 5s are, that is 185. Then I will subtract. Now 5 cannot be subtracted from 3. So I will borrow from 0. 0 will borrow from 2. This 2 will become 1. And this 0 will become 10. Now this 10 will give to 3. 3 will become 13. And this 10 will become 9. So 13 minus 5, 8. 9 minus 8, 1. In this way I got the quotient 215 and my remainder is 18. I hope you understood. Thank you.